Hello guys, welcome back to a Phantom Forces video, and today we are going to talk about the new M17 pistol. This is a new pistol in Phantom Forces that just got pushed to the test place. I'm going to create this goofy dumbass setup, but... And I also didn't pre-buy the inside stuff, don't look at that. But, today we're just going to use this monstrosity. This setup's not very good, but hey, I create goofy setups. After this, I'm probably going to make it out, try and actually make a setup for this. Okay, actually, I'm just going to change the setup. Be right back. And this is the setup that I created. Delta sight muzzle booster with hollow point. There aren't any grips for this weapon. There's only lasers, so I haven't put any on. So let's see how this weapon performs in this territory with this setup already. Let's see. It's also quite the model. Ooh, nice kill. That was a nice kill. Pick this up, whatever it says. You literally can't even get in there. Haha, funny troll. I'm laughing so much, bro. That was a kill and a half, I swear, is hitting him. Also, the new chainsaw weapon. Also gonna go primary chainsaw. This is the new chainsaw gun. Also put on ballistics tracker. Probably put on the muzzle. Actually, we're just gonna put on oil filter. We can't put any optics on, so we're just gonna put on hollow point. And bam! Oh gosh, what is this? What did I do? This isn't... What? Why? I created a monstrosity. This is the M17, and this is the new chainsaw. They've added these to chest plates. These are not in the main game, by the way. These are not in the main game. These are only for... These changes are only for the test plates for the time being. They might not even add these guns. That was a kill and a half. That was a kill. That was a sick kill. That was a nice kill. Really good kill. What do I do now? Probably guy. Down here. Yep. Come on. I couldn't kill him. Couldn't get that guy. Let's see. Probably guy over here. Nice teammate. Teammate stealing my kill. Yeah, I got that kill. I don't know. But yeah. I'm really sweaty right now. But anyways. Yeah, they added these guns to the test plates. I haven't really looked at the stats. I've just been testing these. These look fun, but I don't think they're going to add the chainsaw. They're probably going to add the M17, though. I haven't checked any of the stats. I just kind of created a setup. And that's what I'm going to do. Let's see the stats for the chainsaw. Suppression 0.26. These are also the stats with the attachments, by the way. Lock speed. Okay. Also, Activision took down the SM2 client, which they also took down the X Labs project. I'm going to talk about what they did to SM2 first. But SM2 was basically kind of like COD Online. It was just all the best parts of all the Call of Duties mashed into one. But then Activision decided to send them a cease and desist letter and take it down. And then they did the same thing to X Labs. X Labs was a custom client, which just added a whole ton of security features to the original Modern Warfare 2. Call of Duty Ghosts, and Advanced Warfare. Mind you, if you play the regular Steam versions of most of these older Call of Duties, you're at risk for people literally taking control of your computer. And these, mind you, these games are still full price. It's most of them at $60. Like, are you kidding? That's just a joke. And Plutonium is probably next, but hopefully they don't take down Plutonium. It's just sad how money hungry Activision is. Honestly, it's sad. They're just a failure company. Then let's talk about I don't know. I want to talk about Phantom Force. Phantom Force is dying. Honestly, this game is kind of dying. The fuck? Why is this? Huh? Wait. I was about to say, what is this? Okay. Yeah, this looks like. I don't think they're gonna add the chainsaw though. I don't understand why this game's dying. This game's honestly really fun. I'm dead again. Sad. But I'm almost to rank 49 in the main game. So, gonna try and hit rank 50. Wait. Is it gonna do? Why do I deploy with no ammo? Oh, wait, these guns don't. I never knew that. What the? Come on. Let's see it. Let's see it. What is this monstrosity that I created? Honestly, its skin looks kind of fire. Are you kidding? Rank 316. Just get off the game, man. Like, chill. Like, why do you just gotta just waste your life by playing this game all day long? Like, you just take no breaks. Like, how do you do that? Hold on, let me enable chat. Toggle chat. I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna turn that off. Oh my god, my voice. I'm 0-6, I'm doing terrible, but I honestly don't care. This might be my last Phantom Force video, to be honest. I don't know, You wish it was true, but it's not. Sorry, I don't understand. Oh, it's because the drum mags. I still don't understand. That guy. You know what? I'm just not gonna use this because there's gonna dogs. But I'm gonna go back to using this. Yes, I did pre-buy this. Wait. Are you? I don't spawn with ammo? Huh? That makes this game dog. Why do I not spawn with ammo? Is that a bug? Wait. Huh? I don't understand. Okay, I only have one bullet. Nice. Are you kidding? Like, I only spawn. Anyway, I don't know, man. I got him, bro. Get beamed. Bro, how did I reload that? Sorry, I don't know. Even though I didn't have any ammo. That was my first kill of the game. I'm doing so bad, bro. That's probably a bad play. Bad play. That was probably a bad play. But I don't know. I really don't know. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me. Hopefully. But I'm literally recording next to my microphone. This is my microphone. I just spoke into. Hopefully that. I know I probably sound like really like I just need more energy in my voice, man. I don't have any energy. Are you fucking kidding me? I knew he was hiding through this damn wall. Okay, we are back. Oh, and someone just go kicked out for trouble. Oh, I'm just gonna press J. I don't know. I just kind of press random buttons. I wasn't really paying attention to what I was doing there, to be honest. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all had a great day. See you guys next time. Have a great day. Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen.